Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to find recently deleted photos on your iPhone. For that, you need to go on your photos. Here now you will be finding all the photos that you have in your gallery. Now, in order to find the one that you have deleted recently, you need to scroll at the end. And at the utilities section, you can see recently deleted option at the second. You need to tap on it. Before entering it, you need to enter your Face ID or your passcode in order to view the album. And here now you can find all the recently deleted photos. Now in order to delete it permanently or recover it, you can tap on the select option at the top right. After you are done selecting it, at the bottom right you can see three dot icon, you can tap on it. And there you can see two options, recover or delete. Now if you want to recover the deleted photo, then you need to tap on recover. But if you want to delete it permanently, you need to tap on delete. And this is how you can see your recently deleted photos on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.